Okay, so finally here I am after 15 months of not making any YouTube videos, and that's probably the longest break I've ever taken from YouTube. But also at the same time, I think I really needed that break to make time for the things that I was involved with at that very moment. Meanwhile, I worked my ass off on my freelance video editing business. It showed some tremendous growth in 2021. We'll talk more about that in some other video. I also got into college doing a bachelor's degree in physics, which I absolutely hate, and I have no long-term plans of pursuing it. Now let's get to the point of today's video. You know what? I am a strong believer in learning new skills every single day. Like, it's just so much fun for me learning new skills every day and working with new people every single day as a professional or a young entrepreneur, whatever you like to say. So a couple of months back, I had this amazing idea of giving away a few Udemy courses to some random people to learn in-demand skills. I posted on my Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook about giving one Udemy course each to a total of 3 people. And guess what? I got them all out within 4 hours. That's crazy. What's more, well, I'm giving more of those courses this time too. You might have this question of why am I doing this? Well, when I was starting with my passion of filmmaking, video editing 1.5-2 years ago, I had no money at all to grab all these fancy resources. YouTube is a great resource for learning, but in some ways it's not very organized. So you end up wasting a lot of time searching and banging your head on the keyboard. I went through all of that shitty pain somehow, and now I want to help out people in similar situations because I think I am capable of doing so now. I know I can't help out each and everyone out there, but at least I can try my best, right? So here I am giving 5 Udemy courses worth more than 40,000 rupees to 5 people, and I promise to increase this number in the coming months. Only one course is allowed per person, and here are the courses that you can choose between. The first one, my favorite, video editing. You can choose between a Premiere Pro and a Final Cut course. Number 2, web development by Call Steel, again a very popular course on Udemy. Number 3 is machine learning. Number 4 is digital marketing, and number 5, graphic designing, again one of my favorites. Now you neither need to like this video or subscribe to my channel to get any of these courses. All you need to do is go hit that link in the description, fill a small form with your name, contact information, and most importantly, why do you want this course? I want to hear your passionate words. Like, what makes you so much excited about learning that particular skill? Write as much as you can in this section. I will contact you after 7 days based on your reason, passion, and interest towards this course. This is me, Samim, Aftab, signing off. Have an awesome day. Stay hydrated. Peace.